How to install IDOOGEN Mobility A4 components. Unfold the body skin to prepare the tent for installation. Connect the docking points to the car headrests. Cover the skin over the car and connect the other side as well. Insert the FRP pole into the pole slip and connect it to the connector. The larger hole is the steel pole hole and the smaller hole is the FRP pole hole. Connect the connector on the other side as well. Connect the sides with the steel poles. Combine the pole connection pin at the bottom of the main body and the steel pole. Connect the other side in the same way to complete the first main pole. Connect the second main pole. Pull the main exit skin to erect the tent and then peg it down. Peg down the bottom corner of the docking area. Peg down closer to the vehicle to fit the tent and vehicle closer together. Connect the hooks to the steel poles. Open the main door and erect the upright pole. Open the car trunk and connect the bumper cover. After connecting the two buckles on each side, tighten the draw cord to secure it to the vehicle. Peg down in 3 places to secure the cover.